Hello guys, let's make a shield.
To start, get some plywood. Here I use 4mm thick poplar plywood. Here I am drawing some lines for reference. I start with the middle of the plywood and then go ahead to the, right underneath the top. I leave about 9.5 centimeters between the top and the end of the line. Here, along the diagonal reference line, I place every 10 centimeters a little marker. This is also for reference. Here I draw the shape by hand, and along the every 10 centimeter point I'll look at how much the line I drew is away from the edge of the plywood. Now, by having those reference points, I can easily copy it on the other side. And then draw accordingly. Some final checks before I start bending the shield. Bending it, I use wood glue that doesn't necessarily dry very rapidly. Now, just to smear it all over the place. The parts that are gonna be cut out, you can leave them dry. For added strength, I also use the small nozzled bottle of wood glue. Adding the second layer and adding some more wood glue. Adding the third layer. You can also do it with only two, but the plywood being only 4mm thick each, I would rather have 12mm of wood protecting me than only 8. Here's a PVC tube. You can get them almost everywhere. This one happens to be 125mm in diameter. Note I added some lines at the center of the shield. Those are in case the PVC tube moves. Just going to one by one ratchet it down. the shield in this state tends to try to separate itself from each other. So that's why I'm using clamps to stop that. Final checks, and now it's ready to dry overnight.